Hi, my name is Cesar Trujillo. That explains method V. This method that simple reference for construction of software. It's graphic representation of the life cycle of system development. It summarizes the measures that must be adopted relation of corresponding service and frameworks on validation computer system. It's a process that represent the sequence of step by step the development of the life cycle of the project. That activity and result that should occur during the development of the product were described. The left side of the V represents the, the, com- the composition the composition of the needs is the creation of the system requirements. The right side of the V represents the integration of the parts and their verification. V means verification and validation is a very similar of the classic waterfall model that is very right and it contains a lot of iteration. Describe the activities and results that occur during software development. It provides a guide for planning and carrying and following objects are intended to be achieved during execution of project. The V method is a graphic representation of the life cycle of development of the system. It summarizes the main steps the most taken on cohesion, implementation, and verification and validation for a course of time. It summarizes, with the corresponding the deliveries and validation system. That parts of middle V, the specification string, left part, concept, project definition, the left part is concept of operation, requirement, and architecture, in detail design. This part consists many on concept of operation and the plan for construction of the software. What the system should and broad structure, system requirement, and architecture theory of detailed design. The test string, right side, the middle theme, project test integration. Meanwhile, usually consists of integration of different part testing and verification of them, verification and validation of system as a whole. System maintenance the development stream might consist depend of the type of system, the scope of development, and in parcellation configuration of coding. Thank you for your listen. Good night.